Today we're making a candle lantern. To make this DIY craft, you'll need some supplies. 4 picture frames, all of the same size. It doesn't matter as long as they're the same size. Some rope, braided jute or twine will work. A glue gun, and extra glue. You will need a screwdriver and a pair of pliers to remove the hardware from your frames. And you'll need some decorations to put in your lantern. The first step is to remove everything from your frames. Take all your frames and remove all of the plastic, all of the mats inside, and all of the frames tabs. So we're just going to remove everything on the frames and discard that. So that all we're left with is the frame and the glass. With the frame, you're going to want to remove all the tabs from it. Just get your pliers and gently work it back and forth. So that your frame is very neat and clean. Once you've removed everything from your frame, you will take your glue gun and you will run a bead of glue all the way around the edge. Oh, let me get some more glue. Oh, get a bead of glue all the way around the edge of the frame. And we do have to work fast because, you know, hot glue does dry quickly. Once you get your bead on there, then you will insert your glass into your frame and hold it to allow the glue to hold the glass in the frame. And set that aside to cool. And then once you get all of your frames, all 4 frames removed and your glass glued in, then we're going to start gluing the frames together. So you'll begin by attaching your frames side to side so that the long side is attached. I've already done one with this side attached just like this. So now I want to make sure when I do the next ones that they're attached the same way. So I will run a bead of glue right down so that I can attach my frame the same way that I attached it on the other side. And I will hold for a moment to make sure that I'm all the way on. And then I'm going to do the same for the top. I'm going to run the bead of glue straight down my frame on both sides. And I'm going to attach the last frame to the top. And this one does have to be kind of maneuvered into place and then held closely in place. You can also use masking tape or some type of tape to hold it actually right on. And then you have your box, your lantern box. And we'll set that aside. You will take your rope or your braided jute. And the ends fray a little bit, so you can take and put some glue on the bottom just to kind of hold your frayed ends together. You don't have to do this. It actually looks cute when they're kind of coming out and unfraying a little bit. Then you're going to take and remove my tape from my rope so that I can attach it to my lantern. And then on each side, I'm going to attach the rope handle. So all I'm going to do is put a good dollop of glue right on the frame. And then I'm going to put my rope in it and kind of press to give myself a handle. I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. And I'm going to press into that glue roughly on the same amount hanging down as the other side. And I'm just going to hold that for a moment. Now my handle is on. At this point, you can begin to insert your decorations.